Hi, my name is Joe Powell, a technology-focused trainer with the ITAM Academy. Welcome to our 2-minute tech tips for IT asset management professionals. In this episode, we will look at how to approach asset discovery within your estate. So, how do you find the assets you know you have and those that you don't know you have on your network? This is where asset discovery comes in. You can use tools to do this, but before then, you can use what you already have in place. For example, looking at your Active Directory or your antivirus management console gets you a good start on seeing the devices that you already manage. A good tip to find the devices you don't manage or that have been added to your network without your knowledge is your DHCP or DNS server. These systems record any IP or DNS registrations being made, so if somebody has added a device, even with a static IP address, to your network, chances are it is registered with the DNS system at some point. So, use the exports from these systems to form your initial secondary source verification list. They help you advise what you have when talking to auditors, tools vendors, or just internally to, say, information security teams. Thanks for watching, and tune in next time for more 2-minute tech tips from the ITAM Academy.